In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly add a hover effect to an image using the Hostinger website builder. This is a fantastic way to engage your audience and add a touch of interactivity to your website. Let's dive right in. First, open up the Hostinger website builder. If you're not logged in yet, make sure you do so and navigate to the project you want to edit. Hostinger offers a variety of tools, making web design accessible even if you're not an expert. Now that you've got your project open, let's focus on the image element to which we want to apply the hover effect. Simply select the image element on your web page that you want to enhance. This could be anything from an eye-catching header image to product photos in your online store. Selecting the image will activate its editing toolbar, which gives you access to a variety of customization options. Next, you want to open the effects panel. This is where the magic happens. By selecting the effects panel, you enter a world of possibilities to animate and energize your web pages. The effects panel is particularly useful for helping your images stand out and draw your visitors' attention. In the effects panel, you will find an array of hover effects to choose from. Take your time to preview and consider which effect best suits your website's style and user experience. Whether it's a subtle zoom or an elegant fade, each option offers a different dynamic. Hover effects are particularly effective at enhancing user engagement by providing visual feedback. For this tutorial, let's go with a simple zoom effect. It's a subtle yet impactful choice, ideal for drawing attention without being too overwhelming. Once you've selected the perfect hover effect, it's important to save your changes. Saving is a crucial step to ensure that the effect is applied properly and doesn't disappear if you accidentally close the editor. In Hostinger, this is easily done with the Save button, located typically at the top or bottom of your editing panel. Finally, after saving your changes, it's time to publish. This step is what makes your website live to the world, applying all your hard work in real time. Publishing your changes allows visitors to experience the new hover effect the moment they land on your site. Remember that with every change you make, it's beneficial to preview your site first to ensure everything looks just as you envisioned. And that's all it takes. You've now successfully added a dynamic hover effect to an image on your website using Hostinger's intuitive website builder. It's a small detail that can significantly improve the aesthetics and functionality of your site. Thanks for tuning in and happy building!